Where's the best place to connect with a guy who is commitment oriented and wants a serious relationship? Now, this is a question that I get all the time on my social media for my clients. And I completely understand the frustration here, right? Because sometimes it can feel impossible. And sometimes it feels like the apps that are out there and the platforms that we utilize to connect with people only result in casual flings or hookups or being ghosted or whatever the case may be. Now, I know this is going to be a hot take, but it starts with you. It starts with you because oftentimes we ourselves fall into specific patterns when it comes to dating. So let's say, for example, you connected with a guy initially, let's say back in the day when you first started dating, and this was somebody who you felt deeply about or that you felt strongly connected to, and it just did not work out. On a psychological level, a lot of the times we try to rectify that specific situation or relive that situation with that type of person so that we can get the desired outcome that we did not get initially. So, what happens? We keep attracting ourselves to the same type of person over and over and over again. So, sure, your profile may look fantastic. On your profile, you may have that you are looking for a monogamous relationship and that you are not open to a short term thing or anything casual. But I guarantee you that most of the time, what happens is that we connect with somebody who resembles or is reminiscent of one of those past situationships, and we flex on our boundaries and we think to ourselves, well, maybe this person may be different. It starts with you. It starts with your boundaries. It starts with not accepting anything less than what you know you deserve and what you are willing to bring to the table as well. So, what does that look like? Consistent communication, somebody who takes an interest in you and actually wants to get to know you, your story, your family story, what you do for work, what your interests are, making sure that they're asking the right questions. Not only that, but that they are also willing to take accountability for mistakes that they make, because they are going to make mistakes. We're all human beings. We're all going to make mistakes. It's about ensuring that there is congruency, right? So their words and their actions are lining up. They say they want a serious relationship. They're investing the time and the effort. If you find yourself in a situation where the person is just kind of aloof, they're not really consistent with their communication, they talk to you for 24 hours and then they disappear for 2 days, or they tell you that they want a commitment oriented relationship, but then they're kind of all over the place and they're still on dating apps and connecting with other people, like all of that are major signs that is not the right person. And sometimes we spend so much time and invest so much time in the wrong people that we get frustrated with the process because we think that it's everybody else. It also has to do with us as well. So stop wasting your time on people who are not serious about dating and get more intentional with the people you connect with.